Aloha! I'm not just welcoming you in this incredible property, I'm also pointing out its great location. Today I'm standing in a listing in the heart of Aloha Golf Course. You don't believe me? Check it out yourself. Has been recently refurbished using the greatest materials I've ever seen. And they've made such good use of this space. They've turned this into a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse. And you know what I really like about this house? How it draws in all the natural light using a bunch of skylights in the ceiling. Aloha is a family-friendly golfer's paradise. Here in this location, we're only 1 minute away from the Aloha College, plus we're in the heart of the Gulf Valley, like you've seen earlier, and we are walking distance to a bunch of great amenities. Don't you just love this house? And it also comes with this view. Now, the only thing I'm still asking of you is to like and subscribe. And for the rest, I just want you to come and enjoy Marbella.